are spending our morning here in Piliandala, which is a small town just outside of Colombo, and we are checking out the local market. We're going to get a few supplies, I guess, just some meat and some vegetables, and then we're going to cook a very local lunch with a local family. So pretty cool experience. Hey, Bon. We've just met our chef for the day. Our chef is actually the mother of the woman that's essentially our tour guide for the day. So we're going to be going around the market now with Mama to get some vegetables and cook. Look at all this incredible fresh fruit and vegetables. There's banana stands everywhere. So one thing I love about Sri Lanka is you'll always see these banana stands. There's just so many bananas. These are like baby bananas. Tuna?
Tuna.
And this?
Halapa. Balaya. Mallet. Shearfish.
What?
Shearfish. Char.
Fishes.
Brother. Oh, hello. Hi. Nice to meet you, Janet.
Shan.
Cooking. So here the ladies are preparing lunch.
Normal village people would be making them by hand, right? Yeah, Mama, we're going to keep her making this by hand, but yeah.
Stuti. Papaya. They're just giving fresh papaya juice to try. Right, we were all cheating a bit. We did a tiny bit of cooking and now we've kind of ran out of the house to go check out the local village while we leave the experts, Mama and her friend, to do the... Like, why is there a big house here? We took a little break from the cooking and decided to go for a walk here in the local village, and we came here to this small Buddhist temple with a Buddhist stupa, and we saw some young monks walking around in their orange robes, and we just asked if we could take some pictures. Now normally you're actually not allowed to take pictures of them, but they all went in, got dressed up properly, and then the head monk said that we could take some pictures of them, and they all walked out in formation. It was so beautiful. They had these little fans holding them. Some of them were super young, like maybe 5, 6, 7 years old, and they all lined up and then walked right out of their school. We were able to get some really beautiful shots of them. It was a really nice experience. Look at that Insta table. Are you guys excited for your first home-cooked Sri Lankan meal?
Yes. Can't wait. It
So
smells
good.
Yeah, it smells really good.
You guys are excited for your first? So I'm filming this as if I've never eaten Sri Lankan food before, which obviously I have. So I already know it's going to be really good. So you already know that my reaction is going to be like... But we're eating it the traditional way, which is with your hands. So wash your hands thoroughly beforehand and then dig in. So good. That dal, oh, dal is like just the best. God's gift. So you mix it all up.
Brothers got married, they each got 2 kids. Now we don't. But I watched both of my brothers go through